look at this. Look at my twin bushes, y'all. Everybody has a twin except for my big one. Get. I'm gonna go, cause I know I'm looking like an avatar right now. Hi you boy, your baby. Y'all just gonna hang with me just to see what I do in a day. Right now, I'm actually about to work out, so I have my handy dandy weights. These are both 2-pound weights. And then I have my ankle weights that I use as well. These just go on your ankle. These are both 2.5 pounds, so they're really nice size. Adds an extra oomph to your workout. Today is actually my day off, so I'm doing a 2-mile power walk right now. And then I'ma just take y'all through the day with me. Is that all right? Is that all right? Here are my weights. Get. Oh, and I'm doing this because somebody asked me to vlog. So if I vlog, don't be acting like y'all didn't ask me for this and be like, why we don't want to see. Okay, y'all asked for this. Let's go. Y'all, I'm so tired. Ooh, Lord. I didn't want y'all to see the whole set because this video will be real long. But honey, when I tell you don't sleep on those power walk workouts, woo, my goodness. All right, you guys, I needed my phone because I just did. We're homeschooling too. She was already homeschooled before the pandemic, so thank God she's already adjusted. Y'all, these butterfly locks are they're still so cute. I'm gonna show you guys how to take these out too, because I got a lot of questions right now. I just have it like back in a ponytail because I was working out, but I got a lot of questions about how to take these bad boys out, so I'm gonna be showing you that as well. Y'all just vibe out with me, okay? Just vibe out with me. Hi you boy, your baby. Hey, you pretty baby. Hi. sometimes and I film or I take pictures. Really, it's just my camera and the outside. Yeah, so I was gonna show you my outside picture taking, but there is this four-winged dragonfly out there that is really tripping me out. So so flipping good. If you want the full like details and information of it, it's on our food channel. Oh my god. I do want to show you guys something. I love when I'm like centered. Oh my gosh. I feel like, honey, oh, you can't tell me nothing on those days. I'm telling you, I'm like super legit on those days, son. I really am. So, but I have this thing in my room now, this like galaxy light, and oh my gosh. You can get these lights from like a few different companies and the prices can vary. It can get a little expensive, so I'm not, you know, I ain't capping for them, but I'm just saying I like it. I like the vibe. So I'm about to turn these lights on and y'all just go on this journey with me. Okay, you guys, so stop, Kenya. My cat just opened the door. Okay, y'all. There's like different flavors. Ooh. I'm just showing y'all like the different vibes that it gives you, and there's like these laser dots that are like stars. Stop, Kenya. I want, oh, there we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my ceiling too in a minute. Ooh, I like blue. And it has it to where it moves, and I'm telling you, this is cute for a date night too, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the ceiling and stuff. This is the ceiling. This is my ceiling. And my walls. Changing it up, changing it up. Oh my gosh, that's the red. Ooh, yeah, this one too is like, this one is super legit. Like, this video does it no justice. When you want to just lay back and feel like you're looking at the stars, this one right here is everything. Oh my gosh. But anyway, so this is the point in the evening where I just relax, shower, take this stuff off my face. Usually this is already gone. Like, after I film, I wash my face literally right after I film. So but you know, this was an all-day thing today, so, and I kind of just put it on, so yeah, I'm about to just chill, probably watch Meteor Man or something, have a glass of wine, you know. I'm gonna go because I know I'm looking like an avatar right now, so until next time.